We use so many different gadgets and products every day, and a few well-conceived innovations can make all the little everyday things you do a bit more convenient. With the right gadget, you've suddenly solved a problem you might not have realized you had. Certainly, most gadgets don't meet the standard of genius, but when one does, and it's affordable, it definitely belongs in your life. A creative stand to hold your paper clips. With the Genius Paperclip holder, you'll now be able to store your paper clips inspired by Einstein himself. It's like having a cool stand on the work desk that will come in handy whenever you need some of those paper clips at work. The best thing about this holder is that it's inspired by a genius who was renowned for his eureka moments. Who knows how lucky it could prove to you when you have one for your desk sometime soon. With everything around us becoming trackable and smarter, the Oral-B Genius Smart Toothbrush finds a nice spot in our needs. Loaded up with motion sensors and teaming up with your smartphone's camera, this toothbrush has position detection technology to help you brush better. Using the Oral-B app, you're able to view your brushing time as well as location and pressure, all with real-time data updates. Amazingly, the Oral-B Genius is smart enough to detect your poor brushing habits, such as applying too much pressure, and will automatically adjust both its speed and pulsation to counteract your heavy hand. The Oral-B Genius aims to turn your brushing into a more objective experience to lead you to cleaner, healthier teeth and gums. Based on the original USB hand warmers, the new wireless version keeps hands warm without the restriction of USB cords. Keyboards these days can get really cold, whether you're typing up a memo in the office or finishing that overdue assignment in class. Typing can be a chilly business, but you don't have to be a survivalist to realize that there's a simple and convenient way to warm our hands, and it's right under our noses. Toast. Warm, toasty toast. It's the perfect size to cover your hands and easy to strap on without affecting your ability to type. Of course, if we were to use actual hot bread, you'd get crumbs all over your keyboard and the toast gets cold notoriously quick. Not to mention that you might get peckish and eat your hand warmers. And we all know how that goes. So it's lucky that we found these USB toast hand warmers combining the genius of toast with the handy reheating ability of USB power and the convenience of adjustable settings. Bring a genius home to the family with the Professor Einstein AI talking robot by Hanson Robotics. Taking all the quirks of the genius himself, this robot uses artificial intelligence to quickly become your friend. Using voice recognition, you can bring Einstein to life with just your voice. In addition, you can chat about the weather or even hear some jokes, or you can take the nerdy route and talk all about science. The Einstein robot can also walk and move thanks to its 5 built-in motors. 5 robot motors in Albert Einstein give him over 50 realistic facial expressions and body gestures, engineered from scratch by the creative minds behind Sophia from Hanson Robotics. Finally, using the app, you can play games along with your new favorite friend. Possibly best of all, the Einstein robot can also pull that famous face complete with the tongue out. Challenge yourself against one of the greatest minds in history. With increasing levels of difficulty, Professor Einstein's brain teasers are a fun, educational way to stay sharp. Professor Einstein features a body camera to see objects in front of him and motion sensors to detect the edge of a table where he's walking. Directional sound allows him to hear where you are in the room and turn his head to talk to you. The Professor Einstein robot comes ready to challenge you with 20 preloaded brain games, videos, learning modules, data cards, and quizzes. Drink coffee in style. Meet novelty mugs by Funny Guy Mugs, printed and tested in the USA. The Gameboy Coffee Mug is the ultimate cup for old-school gamers. Designed by college student Tiago Gonçalves to look like a retro Game Boy, this genius coffee mug will display a game over message when you finish your morning cup of coffee. The high-quality mug makes the perfect gift for everyone, designed professionally and permanently printed on the mug, printed on only the highest quality mugs. The print will never fade, no matter how many times it's washed. Every house has a young artist, and it's for these creative geniuses that you may want to have the Woody Chalkboard table. This is one of those unique tables your child would actually be able to draw on. The top of the table is a chalkboard surface with the center having a bowl to stock chalks and erasers. You can have one of these in your kid's playroom and let the little one unleash their creativity to the fullest. Every day would be a new canvas to chalk their dreams on. Not to forget, this can also serve every purpose a normal table does too. The Bionic Wrench is a remarkable patented hybrid of an adjustable wrench with the ease of use of a pair of pliers. In addition, the genius of attacking a bolt nut on all 6 flat sides removes the stress and strain on the corners of the bolt. This, coupled with the superior gripping action of the jaws, allows the user to complete their work without the wrench slipping off and damaging the bolt. The design of the Bionic Wrench multiplies your hand's gripping force, so you can more easily tighten and loosen bolts. You can develop ratchet-like speed by fully turning the Bionic Wrench, release the grip while still on the bolt, reposition the wrench, tighten grip, repeat until finished. The Bionic Wrench covers 16 sizes of fasteners from 7x16 to 3x4 inch and from 11 to 20 mm. Winner of 2005 Popular Mechanics Editor's Choice Award, made in the USA. The wrench is fully adjustable with a one-handed squeeze. Efficient ratcheting by releasing, then re-gripping the object often removes nuts and bolts damaged by other tools. The mechanically enhanced grip multiplies your gripping power. The Bionic Wrench incorporates universal design features with enhanced ergonomics. The soft double-thickness cushion handles fit large and small hands with universal orientation, so our tool works in either hand in any position. Stress, sleeplessness, joint pain, maybe it's time for a detox spa day. Except, who can afford that? You? Me? Anyone? That's who. That's because this box of bamboo vinegar FootPads is just $21. They help detox your body through your feet while improving circulation. The results? I feel amazing, wrote one user. I wake up feeling rested and refreshed, claiming another. My feet were no longer swollen, the joint pain isn't as severe, and I feel better. People love the minty smell too, along with the complimentary foot mask. How much water did you drink today? Oh, you don't know? Well, it seems like you need a better water bottle, one that tells you when you're falling behind in the hydration department. This bottle keeps tabs on your water consumption so you don't have to. Just fill it in the morning and keep up with the schedule that's printed on the bottle. Each marked hour has an encouraging message too. With humanized handle, high-quality nylon strap, and lightweight design, you can easily carry the reusable water bottle to anywhere you like. The gym water bottle is very easy to clean too, just need to simply wash it with baking soda and vinegar. If you currently have a cardboard box under your desk as a homemade attempt to adjust your legs, I present to you this under-the-desk footrest. Not only is it much better looking than an old box, but it also gives your feet little massages while you work thanks to the machine-washable micro-bead cover. Its height can even be adjusted thanks to the bottom cushion that's attached by Velcro. Plus, it's versatile. One customer wrote, I had never put much thought into a footrest, but this was a pleasant surprise. It's quite versatile in that it can also be used as a sort of cushion, which I'm really enjoying for my back. Let us know your opinion in the comment section below. This was all for today. Hope you liked the video. Don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel, hit the bell icon for more updates and notifications. Stay safe, and we'll be back soon with another video.